The reportee, accompanied by another person, namely Sarah Nduku, came to the station reporting that they had occurred a murder, which they suspected to have been inflicted by their father within a shop which was being run by that mother of theirs, who is now deceased. They rushed to the scene and found the scene of the incident and confirmed that surely there were blood stains and a spearhead was recovered, believed to have been used to commit that murder. And our officers made a search in that house, and it was discovered a suicide notes written, very many issues, most of which related to home affairs, that is family issues.